One new DaVinci Resolve 20 feature is that when you create a project, you now get the option to specify an additional file path. We'll go and right-click here and choose New Project. Just call this Demo. It will always put in this default media location, but you might want to change that by clicking Change Location. Here's the default folder, but if you use this for every project, that means that every project is going to be putting its stuff into the same folder, which you normally are probably going to want each project to sit nice and separate on its own, just so you don't get problems later down the line with missing media. So all we need to do here is choose where we want this new folder to be. I'm just going to select new folder, and we can go and actually create that folder if we want to. Let's call this media location. That's the name of this project that I'm going to be editing. You can double click in there, and then we can go and create a new folder. Let's just call it Resolve Media. You can call this whatever you want. We'll select that folder and choose select, and you can see that's showing up down here now, and then just go and create your project as normal. So what actually is this new folder that we have to specify now in DaVinci Resolve 20? In DaVinci Resolve 19, we didn't have to specify that. We could just create a new project and give it a name, and it was done. The reason why we now have to specify a folder is that DaVinci Resolve 20 can actually create new media, and a lot of this is with the new AI features. So for example, if you're using the new AI voice convert feature, that's actually going to generate an AI voice, and it's going to create an audio file for that voice. So DaVinci Resolve needs to know where to store that new audio file that it's created, and in this example it will be created in that folder that we just specified. It's worth mentioning that things like cache files, gallery still files from the color page, and proxy files will all still use the same settings as they did before, so they won't use this new location.